Just me and the butterflies out here. Well, this is Shane Tracy, your San Antonio real estate professional for life, and I'm out here at Morgan's Meadows. This is a community on the far west / northwest side of San Antonio, and you're going to be delighted to find that we have a builder that we're going to focus on today by the name of HistoryMaker Homes. They are new to San Antonio, but I will tell you, you're going to have a lot to choose from, anywhere from one story with a little under 1,400 square feet, all the way up to over 3,000 square feet. And these homes start in the high 200s. The base price starts in the high 200s, and you can go all the way up to 6 bedrooms if you wanted to. Just really incredible. The model home is right behind us, if I didn't already say. And by the way, if you're new to our channel, please like this video, subscribe, click the bell icon so you can be informed when we've got another awesome video ready for you. If you are already a subscriber, thank you very much for tuning back in. We love to share with you all that we can about San Antonio real estate and all the great new homes that are out there. So before we go any further, I do want to share with you the inside of this gorgeous home. So let's go and check that out right now. This community is in the highly acclaimed Northside Independent School District, with a lot of conveniences within minutes to include a future HEB that's scheduled to open next year. The community amenities include a pool, clubhouse, playground, and a pickleball court that should be opening soon. This model home is the Rayburn floor plan, which is 2,330 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a 3-car tandem garage, and 2 living areas. Enjoy the home. thanks for joining us for another awesome video. HistoryMaker Homes is a definite option for you here in the San Antonio area. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations, and believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.